Teenage girl among triple road fatality in Westmoreland. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We are live on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. A very special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I am Javon Keys. Also this evening, local authorities and resident locked in legal dispute over prized real estate in southern Clarendon. There's also sports, and in the shortened newscast ahead of tonight's inaugural Jamaica Athletics Invitational track and field meet at the National Stadium. Of course, TVJ will have continued coverage for you, so please stay tuned. I'll have the details right after this break.